I love these face masks so much, and because I have all the time in the world, I'm gonna put one on because I don't need to be anywhere today apart from at home doing like admin and stuff. So Me in a Minute is a really great brand. I love the owner, Chloe. She is just beautiful. These face masks make your skin feel amazing, like seriously amazing. She is also a really small business as well, so if you want to go and support her, definitely do. I think these retail at $12.90. They're worth every cent. They are amazing. So some of the benefits, it's really hydrating, it's anti-wrinkle, anti-aging, revitalizing, and calming. So I don't know, if you put one of these on a day, like while you're in isolation, you might come out looking 10 years younger. I'm not gonna make any promises, but it's anti-aging and anti-wrinkle, so it's certainly not gonna hurt, is it? It's really cold and refreshing. These face masks are actually like quite big compared to a lot of others, but it seems to fit me pretty well, so it just proves how large and in charge my actual head is. Like when I tell you I've got a moon head or an egg head, I'm not lying. Me in a Minute also have jade rollers, but they're vibrating. I feel like it also helps to apply the mask better. You just twist the bottom and it vibrates. All right, so I'm gonna leave this mask on for about another 10 minutes or so and come back to you guys. Coffee.